Hey, what's up, good people? This is Larry Jones. It's Sunday afternoon. Went to church, and I'm just going to shoot from my truck and get it to you guys as soon as possible. Hey, if you are new to this page, do yourself a favor and do me a favor and hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. We here, number one, thank you guys for 400,000 subscribers. All right, I'm going to do a live and we're going to celebrate this like we do every 100,000. I want to briefly talk about what we're looking forward to this upcoming week, okay, with crypto and with stocks. All right, so let me go ahead and knock stocks out of the way real quick, and then I'll get right to crypto. All right, with stocks, I'm going to leave a video here for stocks at the end, and I'm going to leave a video here for Shiba Inu at the end. All right. So at the end, you're going to see two videos come up. This one will be for stocks, and then this one will be for the SHIB. Okay. Let's deal with the stock. This video I want you to watch after this, of course. I brought up some stocks in the EV electrification sector, meaning charging stations. Okay. For those of you that don't know, the infrastructure bill has not been passed, and they're fighting. The best time to buy these type of stock is before they get close and it start to run up. And I mentioned four in particular. I mentioned Plug, which I bought some on Friday. I mentioned ChargePoint, which I bought some more on Thursday. ChargePoint is, to me, a buy under $18. Any price under $18 is a buy for ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. Okay. And I would say that these are long hold stocks. Okay. In the infrastructure bill, $7.5 billion is slated for charging stations. You know that ChargePoint has over 70% of the market share in North America, right? Then I mentioned Volta, VLTA, ticker symbol VLTA, Volta. I loaded up at 790. It's still in a buy range right now, 790, 788. I think 790 is a great buy price for that because it was a SPAC. The SPAC already happened, just like ChargePoint was. You don't have to worry about pipe investors lockout that already has taken place. I see more upside for Volta than downside. This is just me. So I think that 790, actually 788 is a good buy. So just set it, get it, and wait. Don't worry about the ups and downs. I bought it at 790 before. It went all the way up to like 1348, and then it came back down. Okay. I believe it's going to make a run when the infrastructure bill gets close to getting passed. I believe it'll start running. I believe that Volta will easily be a $15 stock. Actually, it could happen right after the infrastructure bill gets passed. And then I talked about Plug. So Plug, Volta, ChargePoint, and EVgo. EVgo was the fourth one that I mentioned. So check out this video, all right? So now let's go to crypto. I think that crypto is still set to pop. I believe, this is me. You have to do your own research. Remember, anything I say is not a signal for you to buy, sell, or hold a stock. This is just Larry talking about what Larry is doing. I believe that still Bitcoin, I believe that all of these altcoins like Tezos, Cardano, all of these coins are just going to pop. And I believe that you should be diversified in all of your crypto, just like your stock, and don't have all of your eggs in one basket. I know that Cardano has been holding its position for a while. It has established a base. I do have a buy-in again at $2. Remember, I'm only buying in my Weeble to swing. All of the Cardano that I have in my Coinbase, I got on average at $1. I think our dollar cost average up. My average buy-in is $1.11. So I'm good. I'm holding that until the bull run is over. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Let's talk about the SHIB coin. Okay. Now, you guys, this coming week, I believe, is going to be very interesting for the SHIB coin. I'm trying to hold this thing steady. I believe that this coming week is going to be pivotal for the SHIB coin. I believe it's going to establish a base. It's been establishing daily bases and then it moves. I believe it's going to establish a base. But I also believe that I believe that we're only in the second quarter of SHIB. I think that there's plenty of money to be made, not based on the fundamentals of it, not based on its market size, which keeps growing, but just based on FOMO, fear of missing out. When the big news media gets a hold of it, just like Doge did, ABC, CBS, NBC, all of those, and then the national chains start making a daily conversation, meaning Bloomberg, Fox Business, CNBC, Yahoo Finance. When all of these media outlets start talking about these coins daily, then I believe it's going to run up. I believe that we're going to knock out another zero, and that I'm believing in. That is where I'm going to pay off this truck. Then if I knock out yet another zero, then that is when I'm going to pay my house off and I'm going to be debt free. So I want you guys to think about, just having a purpose and not just chasing a stock based on what you feel it's going to get to. I will tell you, a penny is a long way off. It has to have a market cap that's more than all crypto put together right now. And I do know that there's, I know about the burning that's coming, the potential of what that could do, but they're not going to burn as much as you guys think. And the potential of Robinhood adding SHIB to it, which I believe is the biggest catalyst, because you're talking about opening it up to 22 million more people. And that coinciding with the media coverage is going to pump this coin more. But what I understand about, these micro coins is from weekends to Monday to Tuesday is where they make their biggest swings. So I'm going to make a video Monday about SHIB. I just want to do my due diligence and do it justice. I'm going to make one and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. For those of you that know, we made a killing in Doge late. We came to the game late in Doge and made a killing, made more than people that's been holding it long, because we understand buy the rumor, sell the news, and we catch it on the run up and then we out. The longer you in a stock when you buy it high, or crypto when you buy it high, the more risk you're in. So I have, a lot of you know, I do have SHIB in my Coinbase and I'm not selling it. I'm going to hold that until at least the end of 2025. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. But I am swing trading it in my Webull, because it's just where I do my swing trading at. I do have a link for both below. Deposit both if you're not in, and download them both. It does help the page when you download it from my page, but you also will get free stock if you download the Webull app, up to 2,300, and they keep giving me the SHIB. They keep giving me free SHIB coins. So a lot of you guys I see are getting free SHIB by downloading the Webull. They're giving free SHIB, but you can get up to $2,300. And then Coinbase is a crypto wallet, and that's where I hold my long-term positions. That's where I'm diamond handing my crypto. And I suggest for you guys to do the same. Okay, so we're going to keep it right there. Remember, I want you to watch these two videos. Here, I'm going to talk about stocks, because when you get through making these moves on crypto, I want you to make it, if you're older, get in a safer position. If you're younger, you have time to be more dangerous, should I say. You could take more risk. But when you're older, you need to take your profits and run. If you older, you know the song, know when to hold them, know when to fold them, know when to walk away, know when to run, okay? And so on this side, I'll have what I talked about, the one that I talked about SHIB on. A lot of you guys have seen it, okay? So that's where we are. Check out all my links below, and we'll see you Monday. That's where we're going to be, all right? Excuse the glasses. These allergies is kicking my butt. And if you got allergies and you live especially in the Midwest today, I'm praying for you, okay? Praying for all you guys, praying over your finances. And also, too, lastly, I know it's a lot of clicking. Join me on my new page, Larry Jones TV, also linked below. And just go ahead and subscribe. Two things I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm giving inspirational speaking over there. But if something should happen to this page, that will be my new page, okay? Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.